A diver scored 9.2, 9.6, 9.7, 9.4, and 9.3 in the first 5 dives of a diving competition where all scores are given in tenths, meaning rounded to 1 decimal place, or given to 1 decimal place. To win first place, she must beat a total score of 56.6. What is the lowest score she could get on the last dive to win the competition? Well, let's start by identifying what we're looking for and giving it a symbol. Define our variable. So the question is, what is the lowest score she could get on her last dive to win the competition? All right, so let's say X will represent the lowest score to win. Now, how does she win? Well, she wins if all 6 scores, so we know the first 5, so if all 6 scores add up to, well, not 56.6, she has to beat that score. If her scores add up to 56.6, it'll be a tie. So for her to win, those scores must add up to 56.7. That means she will have the highest score. So she has to beat the score 56.6. Okay, so what are those 6 scores? Well, it's 9.2 plus 9.6 plus 9.7 plus 9.4 plus 9.3. So those are the first 5. We don't know score number 6, so let's call that X. And they have to equal 56.7. All right, so let's solve for X. So the first thing we could do is combine the like terms. We have 5 numbers on the left-hand side. So let's add up these 5 numbers. And if you take out a calculator and plug those 5 numbers in and add them up, you will get 47.2. Then we still have the plus X is equal to 56.7. If you don't believe me, you could pause the video and make sure they add up to 47.2 on a calculator. All right, so we want to solve for X, and we want to get rid of this 47.2. So that's positive, so we could subtract 47.2 from both sides of the equation. The positive 47.2, the negative 47.2 will cancel, and we have X equals, well, 56.7 minus 47.2 is 9.4. So she needs a score of at least 9.4, or 9.4 is the lowest score she could get to win the competition.